The Silurian Hypothesis, devised by astrophysicists Adam Frank and Gavin Schmidt, looks into the intriguing idea that an advanced civilization may have existed before humans, possibly millions of years ago. The theory, named after the sentient Silurians from the popular BBC series Doctor Who, pits the reliability of modern science against the mammoth task of identifying remnants of this prehistoric society. Even though direct evidence like technology or artifacts is nearly impossible to find due to fossilization's rarity and Earth's surface exposure, potential indirect signs such as climatic changes, anomalies in sediment, or nuclear waste traces could provide compelling clues. The hypothesis also ventures that artifacts from these civilizations could exist on the Moon and Mars, shielded from erosion and tectonic activity. While the concept of civilizations pre-existent humans is well chronicled in pop culture, Frank and Schmidt's formal paper in 2018 brought it into the realm of scientific contemplation. They explored the possibility of a human civilization being powered by sufficient fossil carbon as early as the seepage of fossil carbon as early as the Carboniferous period, 350 million years ago. Despite their skepticism, they argue that articulating this notion helps raise pertinent questions related to astrobiology and the Anthropocene studies. Consequently, the researchers surmise that humanity is more likely to identify indirect evidence, such as climatic temperature changes and geothermal energy resources, than stumbling upon concrete artifacts. With Earth's exposed layers primarily dating back to the Quaternary period, 25 million years ago, they also propose that any chemical or isotopic anomalies in sediments could hint towards a technologically advanced civilization's existence. The Silurian hypothesis, whether plausible or not, provides a unique perspective on what advanced civilizations and their traces might look like. Frank and Schmidt refer to J.P. Hogan's 1977 novel Inherit the Stars, noting its similar theory. Yet they also express their surprise at how infrequently such concepts were delved into within the realm of science fiction. The narrative of Doctor Who introduces the Silurians, humanoid reptiles hailing from Earth's ancient past. Andre Norton's 1958 novel, The Time Traders, and its sequels mention the possibility that traces of ancient advanced societies on Earth could be eradicated within mere thousands of years through the activity of glaciers, volcanoes, and natural decay. The Star Trek Voyager installment titled Distant Origin presents an encounter with the Voth, a space-roaming species that seems to have evolved from dinosaurs on Earth. In a conversation with a Voth scientist, Chakotay hypothesizes their ancestors evolved on a solitary continent that was annihilated by cataclysm, with any remnants being completely obscured beneath the seas or thick layers of rock. The theme of advanced civilizations predating mankind is investigated in the H.P. Lovecraft novelette The Shadow Out of Time. Larry Niven's short story, The Green Marauder, features an extraterrestrial more than 700 million years old, owing to relativistic travel, that recounts its last visit to Earth and the desperate cry for aid from Earth's anaerobic societies against the increasing menace of chlorophyll.